Wastewater Dan presents articles published online as a new service of ESDLT's conserve-on-water.com. Today's example, introduce published articles online by Wastewater Dan. And I want to thank these digital publication sites, including Water Waste Processing, Water Online, Empowering Pumps, Water Conditioning and Purification International, and others. So I want to show you an easy way to be able to access all these, and the easiest way to do is to go to your web browser and type this right here, conserve-on-water.com, which is a domain that is directed to my web page that looks like this. And once you get to the page, this is exactly what you should see. So if this is the page you see, then it is from this page that you can access all of my articles. So let's go ahead and get started because this will take a few minutes. So I'm going to simply refer to the various icons from that web page for you to access, and it'll make this presentation a little bit quicker. So Water Waste Processing is the first publication I'd like to recognize. I have a series titled Ask the Wastewater Expert. There are 13 articles on that site. The series is titled Ask the Wastewater Expert. Articles include controlling wastewater treatment processes and biological processes, pH, specific industries, and these articles span between August of 2013 and August of 2014. And this series will be having new articles published monthly, which you will see that you can access from my webpage. So thanks to Water Waste Processing. Now I want to recognize Water Online. Again, you can click on the icon. I have a series with them now titled Math Solutions for Wastewater Operator Certification. They're coming out monthly. We have 3 of them online now. We started with an intro. We went with biological control for waste activity sludge calculations and flow rate conversions. But I also have 7 other articles on their site with a total of 10. And those are articles on storing substances and wastewater treatment controls. And so thanks to Water Online. The next publication I'd like to direct you to and recognize is Empowering Pumps. You can click on this icon here, the EP icon. I have one article on control the pumping of wastewater chemicals. And that was September of 2013. I have an open invitation to submit other articles to them. So there'll probably be some more that you can access from my site that they will publish. So thanks to EP Online. I also want to recognize Water Clarification Purification International, WCP, and I. Click on their icon. It takes you to 2 articles I have on their site, both in 2013, one in February, one in November. I also have an open invitation to submit articles primarily for their wastewater print magazine, which is in November. So, and when I do put them up there, you'll be able to access them from my website. So thanks to CPI. And I want to recognize Pollution Equipment News Magazine. Again, click on their icon. I have 3 articles with them between April of 2013 and April of 2014 on wastewater treatment, including online training options and my cost reduction locator. So thanks to Pollution Equipment News for those 2 interesting articles. And I also want to recognize Water Today. This is a English print publication from India. And back in December 2012, they published an article of mine on wastewater treatment, dealing with water reuse and recycling. And I have another article that will be coming out on biological treatment, and it'll be available on my site here, September of 2014. So thanks to Water Today Online, I have open invitation to submit articles with them, so you may be seeing more in the future on their site. Now I have an article on Water Waste Digest, and I want to thank them for allowing me to publish back in July 2013 an article on hazards of industrial mop water, and you can access it by clicking this icon on my web page. So thanks to them, and I want to thank World Wide Water Web. This is an interesting international article. It's actually 6 different languages. So they published in the second half of 2013 an article of mine on primary wastewater treatment. I have an open invitation to submit additional articles to them. So as I do publish them, you can access them from my web page as I show here. So thanks to World Wide Water Web. I also want to recognize American Water Works, AWWA, the Water Journal. There was an article they published that I wrote in February of 2014. Click on the icon and it'll take you straight to the article entitled Up Close with Dan Theobald on how industry can help maintain a healthy environment. So thanks to AWWA for that. And also you can access my online presence of Water Environment Federation. Fortunately, I was the primary author of Chapter 2 in MOP 37, which is operation of nutrient removal facilities. This was a 1.5-year project starting in December of 2011 and finishing in August of 2013, where MOP 37 was published. There was probably 100 or more people working on this project, and it is a very comprehensive publication for operators of nutrient removal facilities. This was an update of MOP 29, which was also dealing with nutrient removal facilities, but it was written for engineers, and this one is written for operators. So I'm very proud of my participation interaction, and I thank Water Environment Federation for that. And I also want to take you to my icon here, the Wastewater Dan, the Wastewater Wizard. If you click on that icon, you'll see a couple of links. You'll see 3 links, but one of them is a gathering of quotes. I actually am quoted on various other sites, EP Online, Water Technology, and others, Water World, and I thank all of them. But you can access them from that gathering of quotes webpage on my site. Also, there is a listing of my articles. You can access that listing, which I update both of these periodically, but I think they're current as of August of 2014. Also, I have an icon here that says videos by Wastewater. These are my YouTube videos. You click on that, it actually goes to the videos, but you can go to the home page, you can access the featured video, and you can access the three videos on the three playlists. This particular video will be in the published articles published online playlist, but I've also got over 60 videos on the Math Solutions playlist, and I have at least 2 videos on the Environmental Advances playlist. So hopefully you found all of these articles to be informational, useful, and helpful. Just as a quick little update, appreciate you listening to this 10-minute video. I'll be updating at least monthly. I'll start out by featuring the various publications with the individual articles, and then after that I'll be doing articles on the individual videos on the individual articles. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Interact, participate by going to my website and filling out the email form or sending a message to the email address on my website. But come back often because I'll be publishing articles, these articles at least monthly, and I'll be publishing other articles at least weekly. So thanks for watching and see you soon.